YouTube, I'm making a video. After a long time, I'm making a video. It's taking me this long to recover from the malaise that I was in. Anyway, the making of this video is fortuitous. You go check your dictionary for the definition of that word, fortuitous. P-O-R-T-U-I-T-U-S. Fortuitous. Okay? That's the lesson from Pumigero to you today. Do you feel educated all of a sudden? You better be. Anyway, today I am letting go. Unfortunately, my loyal computer who has been with me for the last 5 years. 5 years has finally died on me. So anyway, it wasn't within my budget to get a new computer, but I had to. So the other day I went to the computer place and got a new computer. It wasn't a high-end computer. I just needed something I could use so I could work. And in the process, I have to let go of a few stuff that was connected to the computer, like these pair of speakers. Actually, this one is still working, but this one is no longer working. And the wires are these speakers have been with me since 1998. 1998. Okay, YouTube. There wasn't any YouTube then. Okay. Some of you weren't even born yet in 1998. And my wife wants me to let this go. Give me an ultimatum. It's either me, her, or these speakers. So guess what I decided? YouTube? Ha! I'm going to miss you. Among the other things that I'm letting go also is this. Oh, sabigat. This stupid UPS that shuts down when the electricity goes out. That's why it's stupid. Okay, so I have no problem letting this go. So because this is a stupid UPS. There. This cord, I will be letting this cord go as well. And few other stuff. Wait a minute, I'm installing Windows on my new computer. And so that's what I'm doing. Spending the night updating the computer, updating the drivers, updating everything. It's such a hassle to do this, but it has to be done. So I can continue working. YouTube. So, okay. This video has been made using the brand new computer, and I hope that I will be able to create more new videos in the future. In the year 2000, I predict I will make more videos in the year 2000. What? Don't sing that. Not allowed to sing that because of copyright violations. Okay? Oh, these stupid copyright people, you just sing a song and then. Okay? So, till next time. YouTube. Bye bye.